think you're safe online? Think again. Cyber threats are everywhere, but a few simple steps can protect your digital life. Today, we're talking about the best cybersecurity tips. So, let's get in. Tip number 1. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi may seem convenient, but it's one of the riskiest places to connect. When you connect to public Wi-Fi, your personal information, passwords, and even financial data could be intercepted by hackers. A safer option? Use mobile data instead. It's not only more secure but often faster too. But if you must use public Wi-Fi, always pair it with a VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, protecting your data from prying eyes. Tip number 2. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Did you know your phone is always searching for networks and devices? While convenient, this makes it a prime target for cyber criminals. But there's a simple fix. Turn off your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when you're not using them. By doing this, you stop hackers from exploiting your phone's constant connection search. Plus, automation apps can make this even easier by turning them off automatically when you're not at home or work. Tip number 3. Remove your info from data brokers. Did you know your personal data is being sold online? Data brokers collect and sell your personal information, including your name, email, phone number, and even location data, often without your consent. This can lead to unwanted solicitations, targeted advertising, and even potential identity theft. Services like Incogni and Delete Me simplify this process by identifying where your data is being sold and submitting removal requests on your behalf. They also continuously monitor for any new data that gets added over time. By using such a service, you regain control over your personal information and reduce the risks associated with your data being widely available online. Tip number 4. Freeze your credit. Freezing your credit is one of the most effective steps you can take to prevent identity theft by blocking unauthorized access to your credit report, preventing new accounts from being opened in your name. It doesn't affect your existing accounts and can be temporarily lifted when needed, making it a convenient and powerful safeguard. With rising security risks, a credit freeze offers peace of mind and proactive protection at minimal effort. Tip number 5. Use unique emails for logins. Stop using the same email for every account. Repeating the same email makes it easy for hackers to exploit your information across multiple platforms if they gain access to just one. Using unique email addresses of each account ensures that even if one login gets compromised, your other accounts remain secure. So, here's how you can do it. Use aliases emails and generate emails like including a code for every platform that you are using. Tip number 6. Enable stolen device protection. Activate theft protection on your phone. Features like iOS 17 stolen device protection or Android's lock settings keep your data safe and your device useless to thieves. And there you have it. 6 simple but powerful security tips to protect yourself in today's digital world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.